Hey guys, it's pretty simple today. What we're doing is plugging a tire. Okay, I jacked it. The best way to do this one is because you can see by the back of the tire, the hole is in the back of the tire. Now, I do not recommend this. This is just for video purposes, but the hole is right here. Now, normally, if you're gonna plug a tire, you'd like the hole to be somewhere in here. Now, you definitely do not want to plug a tire if the hole is in the sidewall. That's an absolute no-no. But right here, I don't recommend it, but I'm gonna do it because that's what she asked me to do. Okay, so the first thing we do is you get this tool right here, and what this right here does, it scrapes it out. You make the hole big enough. You have to make the hole big enough. So you put this down in there, twist it around, just waddle it out a little bit, which, you know, when I say waddle it out, it ain't gonna be too much because you're only gonna be able to wall it out this much. So we're just walling out that much. Just keep taking it in and out and in and out like that. And all it does is scraping that inside, getting it good and ready for a plug. See all that black stuff come off of there? So, and here's our plugs. There's usually, I think the smallest pack you can get, there's 5 to a pack. But so this plug, this is gonna go in there, and I'll show you how that works in just a second. Hold on. So you take that plug out of your pack right there, and then you're gonna put it inside of that tool right there. So this plug goes inside of that tool right there. You want to get that plug halfway in there, and what you're gonna do once you get that plug halfway in there, you're gonna stick this right here into the tire. Well, I'm holding it with the wrong hand. Hold on. Okay. Stick this right in here. Stick it. Okay. Stick that down in there. Then you only got a little bit hanging out. And what you want to do is twist this around. Okay. If you see that twisting around, that's probably not going to be good. All right, hold on. Okay, wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It actually stayed in there, but to keep this tire, when it rolls, to keep it from like thumping, because with this sticking up right here, it's gonna make a loud thumping sound. So I'm gonna trim that off, and once I trim that off, I'll let you see the finished result. All right, we have the finished result. And see, I didn't want to go in there too much because, you know, I push it down too much, it might go all the way through, or, you know, it might open back up or whatever. So that's probably the best. You know, I could probably push it down a little bit with my thumb. But once she drives on it, drive on it for probably, I don't know, a couple miles, you know, the road and the weight of the car and the road will push it down, you know, more, you know, to where it needs to be. But that's it. Pretty simple and easy. Now I just got to put the tire back on the car. But that's how you repair a tire. Pretty simple and easy. All right, thank you. All right, guys, the tire is back on the car. Finished product, and we're done.